Welcome back. In today's video series, we will continue with how to set up a QR code menu and customize your QR code, making it easier for your customers to connect to your store, whether from inside Facebook Messenger or outside Facebook Messenger using a QR code. Let's get started. From your e-commerce dashboard, click on QR menu. This is where you can customize and manage your QR codes. Here, you will see two sections: Messenger QR code and Outside QR code. Let's start with the Messenger QR code on the left. This QR code helps users quickly navigate to products in your store directly from Messenger chat. You can select the QR code style by choosing between foreground or background. Each option slightly changes the appearance to suit your branding. You can download the QR code and share it across social media, allowing people to access your store directly from Messenger. Below the QR code, you will find a unique URL, which serves as an alternative to the Messenger QR code. This URL directs users straight to the Messenger chat box, where they will see a welcome message and a button. Clicking on the button can also take your customers directly to your store. Now look at the welcome message input box. Here, you can type a friendly message that your users will see when they first interact with your service via Facebook Messenger. You can also customize the button below the message box. This is the button that users will click to be taken directly to your store or services. Next, Outgoing QR code on the right side, which is similar to Messenger QR code. You can select your preferred style and see the unique URL below. When the QR code is scanned, it takes the user directly to your store web page. You can download it and share it to your customers. Once you're satisfied with the changes, press Save to apply them. And that's it. In the next video, we will show you how to set up a coupon and apply it to products in your store. Thank you for watching,